This is the best. Don't forget to lock this was a lot pairing. I think it crimps it so much better. Each piece 10 to 15 seconds, but I think this is the best crimper I have ever used. I'll do the other side and I'll show you the finished look. This is a curler crimper. It's got 4 different settings, from 160 to 220. I've done my hair on the 220 setting. You've got to wait for the flash to stop flashing. This button here, you slide it up, you put the hair in and you slide the button so it locks the hair in place, and I feel like it makes such a big difference using that. I put the hair in and I leave it for around about 10 to 15 seconds on each section. I've also prepped my hair with the Got2b. These came within 2 days. I think actually it was 1 day. I could not believe how fast the shipping was. And then we do another section. Also, I try to do it with thin section, and I think the crimpers work better when you do thicker sections. So I'm just gonna try and do this section now. As a thicker section just to see. So far, I've just loved the way it's crimped the hair. I tried to do a thinner section and it was more of a frizz, whereas you can see it's a bigger crimp. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's so much better with a thicker section. I don't like to go right to the end because I like them quite straight looking at the ends, but this is the end result. Yeah, so get them if you want them, because I still think there's like Black Friday sales going on.